How to redeem code on Steam Mobile. In today's video, we're going to show you how to redeem a Steam code on the mobile. Whether it's a game code, DLC, or wallet credit, we'll walk you through every step of the process. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and search for Steam. Or also you can simply download the Steam app and make sure you're logged in with the account. Now tap on three horizontal lines at the top and simply select Store section, and here you can find a redeem a code option. Simply click on point shop. These options will allow you to redeem both games codes and Steam wallet codes. Once you tap on redeem a code, you'll be prompted to enter your unique code. This is the code you received for a game, DLC, or Steam wallet credit. After entering your code, simply tap the continue button. Steam will then show you a confirmation piece with details about the game. Review the information to make sure everything looks right. If it's correct, simply tap on the confirm button. And that's it. You've now successfully redeemed your code on the Steam mobile.